Hello dear friends, let's see how to solve problem set 23. Look at the first question. What is 1/3 of each of the collections given below? The first problem is 15 pencils. What is 1/3 of 15 pencils? How to solve 1/3 of 15 pencils? 15 into 1/3. 1/3 means 1/3. When multiplication sign is here, you can divide like this way, slant way or vertically you can divide. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So 1/3 of 15 pencil is 5 pencils. Very simple to solve. What is 1/3 of each of the following collection given below? This is the method to find out 1/3. What to do? How many objects are given? Write that objects into 1/3. Otherwise you can write 1/3 first into given objects. Any way you can solve, you will get the same answer. Look at the second, 21 balloons. Now, how to find out 1/3 of 21 balloons? The same way, 21 into 1/3. Observe these two numbers, 21 and 3. You know 21 is present in 3's table. So 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So what is 1/3 of 21 balloons? 7 balloons. If you make groups of 7 balloons, we get three groups. That is called 1/3 of 21. 7 7 7. 3 groups of 7 balloons make 21 balloons. It means 1/3 of 21 balloons is 7. This is the way to solve the 1/3 of the given collections or object, you can say. Next one given is 9 children. What is 1/3 of 9 children? Same way, write down 9 into 1/3. It is very simple. Everyone knows 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So what is 1/3 of 9 children? 3 children. If you make group of 3 children, 3 one group, next group again 3 children, next group again 3 children. So total you will get 9 children. So 1/3 of 9 children means 3 children. Next example. What is 1/3 of 18 books? What is 1/3 of 18 books? The same way you have to solve 18 multiplied by 1/3. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, 6 1s are 6. So 1/3 of 18 books is 6 books. If you arrange a bunch of 6 books 3 times, you will get 18 books. It means 1/3 of 18 books is 6 books. Second question. What is 1/5 of each of the following? Of each of the following. What is 1/5 of each of the following? The first one, 20 rupees. What is 1/5 of 20 rupees? In the above question, 1/3 of each collection is asked. In second question, 1/5 of the following. So how to find out 1/5 of 20 rupees? The same way, only 20 into 1/5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So what is 1/5 of 20 rupees? 4 rupees. If you arrange 4 rupees in 5 groups, 5 groups of 4 rupees. You will get total 20 rupees. This is the way to solve 1/3 or 1/5 of the given objects. Next, second one, 30 kilometer. What is 1/5 of 30 kilometer? How to find out? The same way, 30 multiplied by 1/5. Here we want to find out 1/5. So multiplied by 1/5. In above examples, we want to find out 1/3. So there we have multiplied by 1/3. Here we want 1/5 of the following. So 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So what is 1/5 of 30 kilometer? 6 kilometers. Next, third example, 15 liters. Here also the same question. What is 1/5 of 15 liters? So again the same way, 15 multiplied by 1/5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 3 ones are 3, therefore 3 liters. 3 liters is 1/5 of 15 liters. Next one, 25 centimeter. The same question again. What is 1/5 of 25 centimeter? 25 into 1/5. You know 5 5s are 25. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Therefore 1/5 of 25 centimeter is 5 centimeter. Let's see the third question. By the same way, the same method we are using here. You find it very simple. Third question. Find the part of each of the following numbers equal to the given fraction. From third question, first one. See here. 2/3 of 30. How we have solved above 1/3 of the given number or 1/5 of the given quantities. The same way you have to solve here. 2/3 of 30 means 2/3 of into 30. Okay. So the same way we are solving here. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. And 10 into 2 means 10 multiplied by 2. 10 twos are 20. So what answer we got here? 2/3 of 30 is equal to 20. Means the same way we are solving these problems. Second problem from third question. 7/11 of 22. 7/11 of 22. Once again the same. 7/11 into 22. When multiplication sign is there, we can divide like this, slantly or vertically, if the numbers are from the same table. So here 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, and 7 into 2, 7 twos are 14. So here we got the answer 14. 7/11 of 22 is 14. Let's see the next examples. Third example is, what is 3/8 of 64? What is 3/8 of 64? The same way, 3/8 into 64. 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64, and 3 into 8. 3 eights are 24. So 3/8 part of 64 is 24. And last example from this problem set is 5/13 of 65. Very simple. By using the same way, you can solve 5/13 into 65. You have to learn the tables. If You learn the tables, you find these calculations very simple. If you learn 13's table, as soon as you read the problem, you got it. 13 5s are 65 and you find the problem very simple. 13 1s are 13, 13 5s are 65 and 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So, 5 upon 13 of 65 is 25. This way, we have learned how to find out the given part of any quantity or any number. Understood? Observe the video very carefully. Write down all problems in your mathematics notebook. If you like the video, please share it, give likes. Thank you. Have a good day.